define concealment, just so we make sure that we're talking about the same things and so that we're all moving in the same direction with the same goals. A lot of people have different definitions of concealment and different standards for that. When I talk about concealment, I talk about having your firearm undetectable to the point where someone would have to violate some number of social boundaries in order to detect your firearm, either by invading your personal space and coming into contact with the gun, or by staring at you for a long enough time that it's inappropriate. So those are things that we're generally pretty sensitive to in our culture. Eye contact, gaze, and physical space are things that cause us to feel a little invaded if someone is too forward about that. So those are the general accepted standards that I use for talking about concealment. So if your gun is hidden to the point where someone needs to touch you or stare at you for long enough that they themselves become conspicuous, then we're talking about concealment. We want to move to a point where that's the degree to which your gun is undetectable.
This video was created in collaboration with Discover by Langdon Tactical Technology. Discover is a place where new concealed carriers can go and learn about the ins and outs of shooting, concealed carry, and health. If you enjoyed this video, then consider hitting the subscribe button and go check out Langdon Tactical's Discover content here on YouTube or at lttdiscover.com.